Not every earning app is worth your time, even if it looks professional. Before you install UserTesting, let me show you what real users are saying. Welcome back to PreyoPhonie, where we review earning apps honestly using real checks on iPhone. No promotion, no hype, only facts to help you decide smartly. Step 1. Go to the App Store or Play Store, search for UserTesting, and tap on the app. Step 2. Important advice. Before pressing Get or Install, scroll down. Always check reviews first. This step can save your time. Step 3. Tap on Ratings and Reviews, then press See All to read detailed feedback. If you appreciate honest reviews like this, support the channel by liking the video and subscribing to PreyoPhonie. It helps me test more apps so you don't waste your time. Step 4. Honest analysis. After reading both old and recent reviews, the feedback feels mixed. Some users clearly say things like scam or complain about wasting time. At the same time, there are also positive reviews from users who managed to earn and had good experiences. My honest conclusion: UserTesting feels like a 50-50 app. It works for some people, but it's not reliable for everyone. So whether you spend time on this app or skip it is completely your personal decision. Remember, real earning apps should respect your time. Always check reviews, understand the risks, and never trust blindly. Subscribe PreyoPhonie for honest earning app reviews, iPhone tech tips, and smart decisions made for Australia, Canada, and USA audiences. Stay informed, stay smart, and use your phone wisely.